In this video, I will show you how to delete all viruses from Windows 10 and 11. To delete or remove viruses from your Windows 10 or 11, follow this step. So first, go ahead and run this cleanup. So to be able to do that, go ahead and head over into your File Manager. Now in here on the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find the File Manager tab. Click on that. Now on the File Manager, right-click on your local disk. So click on this, click on Properties, and then here you'll find this Disk Cleanup option. So simply click on that. You'll be able to delete temporary files, items in the recycle bin, and other unnecessary files. After that, what you can do is to delete temporary files. So to do that, open the Run dialog by clicking on the Windows key plus R. Now on the Run dialog, what you'll need to do is to enter temp, %icon temp, and prefetch one at a time and delete the files in these folders. Now another thing that you can do is to use Windows malicious software removal tool. Run a scan using this tool to detect and remove viruses. And last but not the least, you can go ahead and install Malware Bytes. Download and install Malware Bytes or similar software to scan for and remove malware. And after completing these steps, you can go ahead and restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. That is how you can simply do that. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.